Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to learn about video file formats. Basically, we may be talking about video file formats. For this, I would highly recommend, going to two websites, that is, adobe.com. It says over here choosing the right video format, and the second website that you can go on to is the wikipedia.org, wherein it says video file format. In simple language, if I see, then my first statement over here, it says a video file format is a type of file format restoring digital video data on a computer system. In a layman's language, what does this mean? It basically means a video file format is nothing, but it is a container. Where is this container located? This container is located on your computer screen. And what does this container store? This container stores digital video. What do you exactly mean by digital video? Digital video is nothing but an electronic representation of moving visual images. So if I only talk about moving visual images, I automatically get it's a video. But when I talk about electronic, so automatically the word digital comes with it. Now the next thing that we can go ahead and do is come down to the list of video file formats over here. We will have an in-depth knowledge about the name, the file extensions, container format, video coding formats, and audio coding formats. Everything is mentioned over here. You don't need to go ahead and look somewhere else. Next, come back to adobe.com, choosing the right video format. It will show you video file format and it will give you a codec basics, basically with the definition. And you can see the most popular video file formats which are available over here. MP4. If you are supposed to create a video for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, so you can just go ahead and convert your video or record your video into an MP4 format. Next, if you want to create a video for your websites, basically you want to post video on your websites. So they recommend using WebM or HTML5. So these formats are best for videos embedded on your personal or business website. Why? Because they are small in size and they load quickly and screen easily. Next, if you want to create a DVD video, so all you need to do is choose this file format over here, MPEG-2, and they have also mentioned with which codec over here. So these are the two websites that you need to look, or you can say these two articles. You need to have a look for video file formats for understanding video file formats. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.